Hi, Uncle John here. I am doing a little bit different of a video today. This is going to be one of my Linux videos, and I am going to actually go over my process of that I've been using since I started recording my audio and video separately, or my voice audio and my other audio and video separately, to get everything mixed. Now, I do have some recent videos that I just recorded today. Uh, um, and the ones that I'm actually interested in are these Pokemon Vi ones, where I've got a voice track and another track for each of them, except for one where I only have a voice track because I messed up my recording, and because I had autosave on, there's no way for me to go back because there's only one save in Pokemon. So, but the way that I have these formatted, I have them formatted to have a Unix timestamp in them for when they were started. So we can use that to match up the audio and the video track and work with it. Now, I have been doing some work on this, and I'm going to pull up a command loop that I used a few days ago. Okay, so I'm going to set things for the Okay, I'm a little bit tired and I'm having some technical difficulties that I'm going to try and address. Now it works. Okay, so this is actually the loop that I used for doing some Breath of the Wild stuff, but we're going to modify it to work with um, our new stuff. First off, I actually did copy a lot of this stuff to the local direct drive before I started working on it with the other, and I have not this time. So okay, so oh yeah, I done a lot of. Okay, I'd actually done some more pre-processing here, but let's go ahead and add that pre-processing in too. So what I've actually done is I removed the SD card from my Raspberry Pi and brought it over to my desktop computer, a process affectionately known as SneakerNet, because my Raspberry Pi has been having problems sending large files over the network. So we're going to do the input and then okay. So let's go ahead and extract the game audio, increase the volume, and duplex the sound on our voice track. Merge the two tracks. Almost forgot to Okay. So now let's go and find those timestamps that we need. I'm actually going to just so I'm using a program called Screen that is a terminal multiplexer. Okay, I'm coming off of several hours of video game exhaustion, and I'm about to go to sleep, and trying to get this going. This is actually me not at my very best doing this in real time. So, in fact, once we get these copied, we are going to go back to the other screen, and we are going to change things to echo commands. Because I am not sure that I didn't mess this up. And we're going to use a different method of copy and paste. We're going to use Screen's internal copy and paste because I am kind of doing terrible with my mouse right now. So we are going to put an echo before each of these FFmpeg commands. This is something that I often do to desk check when I am working on a one-liner or scripting. Is before we proceed, we can just make sure that we are doing things correctly. And this last step, this second loop, is actually taking my raw video footage and just default compressing it with FFmpeg, since I capture the raw footage in a terribly inefficient way for disk space, because my Raspberry Pi has a quad-core ARM processor that cannot do the keep up with encoding unless I'm doing it at 640 by 480. So let's just okay, I did miss changing one of those. Okay, let's go ahead and pipe this to the less pager and just make sure that we did not screw anything up too badly. Okay. Game audio. Increase the volume. Merge the increased volume into a combined audio. And then into a full MP4. So that is actually looking like it is doing exactly what we want. So with that, we can start to remove our echo statements. And now we just go ahead and start running this. And as you can see, the audio processing goes faster than video processing does. But this entire thing is going to take a while. Let's see, this first video has 47 minutes, and so far we're at about 3. So I am going to go ahead and end this here and keep this running while I get some extremely needed sleep, and we'll just see how things go. I plan on putting this up as one of my Monday Linux streams, and this is actually going to go up before the actual Pokemon videos go up. So I guess this is also an announcement that I'm starting a Pokemon playthrough because I want to complete a fresh playthrough of Pokemon Violet before the second part of the DLC comes through. So thank you very much for your time, and I am looking forward to getting this produced. Goodbye. Oh, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And let your friends know if you like either my gaming content or my processing content and scripting content. Have a great day. Goodbye.